Understanding TV Premiere, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you might often hear in the world of entertainment: TV premiere. This video will break down what it means and how it's used in everyday conversation. So, let's get started. The phrase, TV premiere, refers to the first time a television show, movie, or special is broadcast on television. It's a significant event, especially for new shows or highly anticipated episodes. The key here is that it's the first showing on television. After the premiere, the episode or movie can be replayed, but it's only called a premiere the first time it airs. Why is a TV premiere so important? It's often surrounded by a lot of excitement and promotion. TV networks use premieres to attract viewers, and fans look forward to them for new content. A successful premiere can set the tone for a show's future success, making it a critical moment for producers and actors alike. Let's see some examples of how TV premiere is used. 1. Did you watch the TV premiere of the new superhero series last night? 2. The network is heavily advertising the TV premiere of their latest reality show. 3. Critics are eagerly awaiting the TV premiere of the film adaptation of the popular book. These sentences show how TV premiere is commonly used in conversation and media. And that's a wrap on TV premiere. I hope this video helps you understand this exciting phrase and its significance in the world of television. Stay tuned for more helpful English language learning content, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.